Hey people, so this is particularly special because it's as if us mother and child are, Ayush, what is this called? Dips.
Yeah.
We are having our own little picnic here. This is we are in this gated community and it just feels good. And we also even tried a flavor. This Kurkures has come out with a new flavor called chaat fills.
Personally, I don't think that's good.
This is how it looks.
But I do like kurkure and I know what they were going for. But then I think that they could have used like pani puri, chaat masala.
It is nice. It's a cultivated taste really. And here are rabbits.
Hello, dear.
I use sea water. I've put.
He's marking his territory.
Yeah, look at this guy. And this is the final thing that we need to try.
Whoa.
Ayush, you will try this later.
Terror is attacking Genghis.
Choco fills, choco flow, walnut cream cone. You can take it with you, Ayush. So yeah, this is nice picnic. I'm so enjoying it.